Welcome back students in Engineering Mathematics 3 course. From previous some lectures we started the topic Z transform, correct? In Z transform we already solved standard sequences Z transform for that, and we discussed properties of Z transform also. Now using that properties and standard sequences we can solve some examples based on Z transform. So let's start. Here one example is given. Find Z transform of k square into 2 raised to k for all values of k greater equal 0. We have to find Z transform for this sequence by using standard sequences and properties of Z transform. So first we check which property can we apply here. So here if we consider f of k as 2 raised to k, that means if we write f of k is equal to 2 raised to k, so it is of the form k square into f of k, correct? This is the, so we have to find Z transform for this. This property is called multiplication by k property, correct? And by this property the Z transform of k square into f of k is what? K square into f of k is minus z into derivative of f of z, second derivative of f of z with respect to z. Since the property is Z transform of k raised to n f of k is equal to minus z into derivative of f of z with respect to z, nth derivative. So this is the multiplication by k property. Using this property we solve this example. So here first we have to find f of z. What is f of z? F of z is a Z transform of f of k, correct? Here f of k is 2 raised to k. So first we find Z transform of 2 raised to k, correct? But here k is greater equal 0. This sequence is of the form a raised to k for all values of k greater equal 0. For this sequence we already solved how Z transform, correct? In Z transform of standard sequences topic. So we directly write the Z transform of this is Z upon Z minus 2 for all Z greater than 2. Since by using what? Z transform of a raised to k is z upon z minus a for all values of z greater than a. By using this formula, we directly write z transform of 2 raised to k because we already solved z transform for this to a raised to k. So we directly use this for only for k greater equal 0. If we are not given k greater equal 0, so you use here definition of Z transform and solve this. Now we get f of z. This is what? F of z. Now what? We have to find value of k square into f of k. So what is the value of k square into f of k is minus z into double derivative of f of z, correct? So first we write it as k Z transform of k square into 2 raised to k is equal to minus z into derivative d upon dz into minus z into d upon dz in bracket what f of z. F of z is z upon z minus 2, correct? First we find first derivative and then after that find second derivative. So first we find first derivative. What is the first derivative of z upon z minus 2? Here we use what derivative of, since derivative of u upon v rule. Here we use derivative of u upon v rule. What is the derivative of u upon v rule? First we check derivative of u upon v rule. So derivative of u upon v rule is v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. This is the formula of u upon v derivative. Using this formula, we solve this derivative. The derivative is minus z into d upon dz as it is, and this derivative is, here u means z and v means z minus 2. So v means, so this z, this minus z as it is. So first we write that minus z and in bracket solve this derivative. First z minus 2 as it is, z minus 2 as it is. Next derivative of u means z and derivative of z with respect to z is 1 minus u as it is, u means z as it is. Next second derivative of v. What is the derivative of v? Z minus 2 derivative with respect to z is what? 1 and minus 2's derivative is 0. So here 1 upon v square. V square means z minus 2 square. This is the derivative of this z upon z minus 2. Next, minus z into d upon dz as it is. This is minus z as it is. Next, here what? Z minus 2 minus z upon z minus 2 square. So here minus z into d upon dz minus z, here z minus z get 0 and here minus 2 upon z minus 2 square. Correct? So this is minus z into d upon dz minus get plus, here we get 2z upon z minus 2 square. Now we find second derivative. Two constant outside of this derivative, 2z, and derivative of this term again using u upon v rule. So from u upon v rule we write it as first z minus 2 square as it is. Next derivative of z is 1 minus second time z as it is. Next derivative of z minus 2 bracket square, the derivative is 2 times z minus 2 and again z minus 2's derivative is 1 upon z minus 2 bracket square, that means raised to 4. Correct? Minus 2z as it is. Here z minus 2 bracket square, we simplify it, expand this bracket, so we get z square minus 2z plus 1. Correct? Minus here 2z into z, what is 2z square. Correct? Then minus get plus 2z into 2, which is 4z. Correct? 2z into minus 2, which is 4z, and divided by z minus 2 raised to 4. Correct? Here minus 2z. Here z square minus 2z square is what? Minus z square. Then minus 2z plus 4z is 4 plus 4 upon z minus 2 bracket square. Correct? Now here minus 2z into here what? Common out minus sign, so it is minus minus get plus here we get 2z. Correct? So 2z into here z square minus 4. That means z square. That means z square minus 2 square. Correct? This is z square minus 2 square. That means z minus 2 into z plus 4. And there, this z minus 2 and the one z minus 2 get cancelled. So here we get z plus 4 upon z minus 2 raised to q. So this is the z transform of k square into 2 raised to k. Now we solve another example. Before that we take revision. So what we do here? First we write. First we check which property we can apply here. Correct? So here if we given that this is the sequence 2 raised to k, that means we multiply this sequence by k square. So that means this is which property? This property is the multiplication by k property. From multiplication by k property we can say that this z transform is minus z into d upon dz square f of z. That means second derivative of f of z. So for that we first find out f of z. What is the f of z? F of z is the z transform of this f of k. So first we find z transform for f of k. Here f of k means 2 raised to k. Correct? So first we find out z transform of 2 raised to k. So we get f of z, z upon z minus 2 for all the values of mod z greater than 2. So here we write mod z greater than 2. How it we write? By using the formula z transform of a raised to k. We already solved for z transform a raised to k for all values of k greater equal 0. So directly we apply the result at here. The z transform of a raised to k is z upon z minus a for all values of z greater than a. Now we get f of z. Now we go to our main result for this. So now we find second derivative of f of z. For that we write it as minus z into d upon dz into minus z into d upon dz. First we find out first derivative. After that we apply second derivative. So for first derivative we use u upon v rule for solving this derivative. So we get this derivative. Now after that we apply second derivative by using same result u upon v, derivative of u upon v rule. So we get z transform of this sequence k square into 2 raised to k for all values of k greater equal 0. Here we directly apply this result because here this result is true for k greater equal 0 only. That's why we use directly here this value. If here not given as k greater equal 0, then we can't apply directly this result. So for that type we solve this by using definition of z transform. So this is the z transforms one example. Today we stop here. Next lecture we solve another examples based on same topic z transform. Thank you.